Dividend kings are stocks of companies which have been paying and increasing their dividends for more than 50 consecutive years. Currently, there are 54 dividend kings. But today I'm going to talk about the dividend king stocks which are paying more than 3% annual dividend yield. But not all dividend kings are good investments. So I narrowed this list down to the ones which are undervalued, and I have used the Morningstar fair market value for that. So any stock price which is below the fair market value, I'm considering undervalued. There are many other ways to calculate the fair market value, but I'm only using the fair market value from Morningstar, which has been reported through my brokerage platform. Hello, welcome back. My name is David Das, a retired engineer, and you're watching my YouTube channel Think and Retire. In this channel, I talk about building wealth and income from the stock market. Please keep in mind that this video is for educational purposes only, and any stocks that I mention here is not a recommendation for you to buy or sell any securities. Please do your own research before investing. As dividend kings have been paying and increasing the dividends for over 50 years, so it's like increasing your paycheck while sleeping. Out of those 54 dividend king stocks, there are 16 of them which have been paying and increasing their dividends for over 60 years. And believe it or not, there is one stock which has been paying and increasing the dividend for 70 years. For Canadian investors, you will be surprised there are 2 Canadian stocks in this list as well. So why dividend kings? Dividend king stocks are well-established companies. They have a good track record. They have a strong business model. They are capable of navigating through company-specific challenges and economic ups and downs. When I filtered through the list of 54 dividend king stocks, I found 22 of them which have annual dividend yield of over 3%. And believe it or not, there is one stock which has an annual dividend yield of over 7%. And watch this video till the end. You will be surprised there are 2 Canadian stocks in that list as well. In this video, I'm going to talk in details about 3 stocks, not in any particular order, and then I'm going to list the remaining. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the presentation. The first stock I'm going to talk about today in details is Coca-Cola with the ticker symbol KO. I have talked about this stock recently on another recent video. All the information that I'm presenting today is of market close January 3rd, 2025. The closing price of Coca-Cola on January 3rd, 2025 was $61.75. The forward annual dividend yield is 3.14%, and it has been paying and increasing dividends for 62 years. Now I'm looking at the 5-year weekly chart of Coca-Cola because I'm looking for long-term investing. If you have a short-term window, you may probably look at 3 years or 1-year chart for your analysis. So you can see the price have pulled back to about $61.75 right now. This was the resistance in previous few years. According to Morningstar, the fair market value of Coca-Cola stock is $64. So from today's price of $61.75, there is a upside potential of 3.6%. The second stock on my list is Johnson & Johnson with the ticker symbol JNJ. The closing price on January 3rd, 2025 was $144.19. The forward annual dividend yield is 3.44%. and it has been paying and increasing dividends for 62 years. Now I'm looking at a 5-year weekly chart, and the good support is about $140 level. The resistance was $170, and the price ranged in between $140 and $170 for the last 3 years. For Johnson & Johnson with ticker symbol JNJ, the fair market value according to Morningstar is $164. Currently, it is at $144.19. So there is an upside potential of 13.7%. The third stock I'm going to mention today is Fortis Inc. with the ticker symbol FTS. It is traded both in the Canadian and the US exchanges, but the information that I'm going to present today is on US dollars. The closing price of Fortis Inc. on January 3rd, 2025 was $41.58 US dollars. The forward annual yield is 4.16%. And if you look at the 5-year chart, it has pulled back from the resistance of about $45. And they have been paying and increasing dividends for 50 years. So they just got into the Dividend King list. For Fortis Inc. FTS, the fair market value is $43.49 US. So right now the price is $41.58. So there is an upside potential of 4.6%. Now I'm going to present the remaining stocks which are undervalued. That means the share price is below the fair market value as per Morningstar, and also whose annual dividend yield is over 3%. So you can pause the video and take notes as needed. So that's the end of this video. I hope you found the video useful. If you find any value, please like and share and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, so you will be notified whenever I upload similar videos. So thank you for watching and happy investing.